Have you ever wondered what keeps millions of people coming back to the same red and white bucket? While menus now feature wraps and plant-based options, one product remains the undisputed king of the fast food empire: the original recipe chicken. It is more than just food. It is a global phenomenon that serves over 12 million customers daily across over 100 countries. The secret to this success lies in a combination of high-stakes security and unique cooking science. Most fast food chains open fry their poultry, but this signature chicken is prepared in industrial pressure fryers. This method locks in moisture in record time, ensuring the meat stays juicy while the skin develops that iconic savory crunch. Then there is the legend of the 11 herbs and spices. To protect this multi-billion-dollar flavor, the recipe is kept in a digital vault in Kentucky. The security is almost paranoid. One company blends half of the ingredients, a second company blends the other half, and they are only combined at a third location. This means no single supplier ever sees the full list. Even with the rise of the spicy Zinger burger, which dominates younger markets and solo lunches, the bone-in bucket remains the heart of the brand. Statistics show that around 400 pieces of chicken are sold every single minute globally. Whether it is a family gathering or a quick snack, the consistency of this pressure-fried classic is what built and maintains the world's most famous chicken empire.